The forklift has a script that allows to move the game object from an initial position to a picking position and to a dropping position. And then you have also different points in which you are going to be able to stop or to accomplish different actions. So for example, I'm going to pause this for a moment. We can see that the forklift has a picking position that is set to pick. So this is the one that is going to be called whenever the callback function of the buffer here, the buffer combine is going to finish packaging all the cubes. It's going to say to the forklift, move and pick up the box. So you can see that now the forklift is going to move to the moving position. The moving position is also set in the script of the forklift. Here you can see it in moving position. You can have an array of different positions, and the forklift will follow the different positions. And finally we have the drop position here, or transform, in which the forklift is going to leave the object and the object is going to respawn again.